Hey, it's Rob from Kickass. Today we have Toyota. Familiar? Yes, because it was here before and we did the AC compressor last time it was here. So while we were here, they did mention the axle. We looked at it. The CV boot was busted open and it was making noise at the time. So now they are back and we are doing that axle. So come along, we'll knock this axle out real quick. That guy out of there. Let's see. It's a lovely bolt-on ball joint. You gotta love the bolt-on ball joint. Alright, get this axle nut off. These two 17s or 19s, 17s feels like. Let me get them tools. Bada boom, bada bing. It's a bit rusty. Put a little PB blaster on it. Nothing like some PB blaster in the morning. Alright. Came off that smoking hot. It's nice and spicy hot. Very hot. It's got a bit of a spice to it. Alright. I might flop these brakes off out of the way so they're just not there because they're kind of in the way. I left the key in there. Damn it. Bobbin. Whoa. Balls! These new fancy, newfangled cars don't let you do stuff. Oh, ha 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 ha. Take all the bolts out, Ron. Silly goose. 2 nuts in a bolt in that ball joint. And tried to trick me. Oh, you dirty rascal. Dirty rascal. Somebody little bust. There we go. Push it out of the way. Pop this ball joint off real quick. Give me just a little bit more. You see there? So it might puke a little transmission fluid out. So I'm gonna get a little pan and grab it. Alright, I got a clean tub, so in case we need to put it back in. Again, probably not gonna be much. Let's see if we can pop this guy off here. What you're trying to do is you're trying to get in there behind the back joint or inner joint and transmission case and just pop it out. There's a circlip on that holds it in the transmission. So I should be able to pop it right here. They moved. Yeah, going right there. Like a dirty squirrel. Dirty squirrel. There. A little bit of fluid. Just a scotch. Oh, are you looking at pictures? Just sit right there. Don't just okay. So, wiggly bob doodles. Alright, we are comparing axles to make sure it's the right axle.
Someone's at your door.
What? Is that my damn door? Oh god, why didn't I turn the AC on? It's hotter than whale. Just hot, hot. Alright, anyways, somebody's at your door. Somebody's at your door. Alright, everything looks good there. Doesn't have the little silencer thing here, but mainly we're looking for the length. The splines are the same. The teeth on the pick up the speed sensor. Let's see if she fits. Let's see where the grease was slinging out there. All in there. Get you a new nut. Everybody likes a new nut. I like to work it a little bit. Make sure it's good to go. It's good. Got a good wiggle to it. A bunch of hooks. Okay, there's some light. There, you hold it. You hold it. Hold the damn light. Thanks. So I get it lined up in the hole right here. So I get it lined up like that. So I have this little bit of movement on the shaft right here. This shaft can move without the joint moving. So I'm gonna use that to my advantage, and I'm gonna use it kind of like a slide hammer to get that little circlip on the end to pop in, because it can be a pain in the butt. So I found that you can use this kind of like a slide hammer. Don't pull it too far back because you'll pop it right back out. But that 2 inches, you can just whoop, see it? It's gonna fall back out. But boom! See how it popped in there like that? That's what you want. You want to hear that? Ba-boom. The boom, skibbity boom. That's what you hear. And then it goes right in there and you're like, alright, thank you very much. Yeah, that's the magic trick of the day right there. This guy can go right in this hole right here. Where's my new nut? Where'd I put my new nut? Yeah, black anodized, very nice. Fancy. He's got a fancy nut. I'll turn the steering wheel back the other way and it'll all move back in. Yeah. Biscuits. And that brings my slack back so I can pop the ball joint back in. A lot easier. Go gadget strength. There it is. There she blows. There she blows, Captain. Cha-cha-ching-ching. Still, Mr. Rotor. Sometimes you gotta put a lug nut on. Rotors are being an asshole. Alright, there we go. Cha-cha-ching-chang. Do that right. Locking on it. Alright. We want to dimple this axle. Right. So right here you want to bend this down so it sits in that groove so it doesn't back off. A safety feature that you put on these nuts. You can kind of see where someone tried to do it here. I like to use, well, we're going to use this today. So I'm just going to dimple this guy. So I can't really find anywhere to put fluid in this thing, so I want to pull this air box off and give me some room here so I can see where I can put this fluid back in the transmission. I'm looking for like a sensor hole or something I can take off and put a funnel down and put this stuff back in. I should be able to find something like that. We'll see. Come along. This job needs to come off. Alright, get out the clip tool. Unless, no, let's just get that shit. Damn it. Oh, turn that fan on. Oh, it's so hot. So we're gonna pull that off. Pull that 10 off and pop that connector up so we can stick a funnel in there and put the rest of that fluid back in there. I don't see anywhere else I can put it in there. Oh no, wait. There's a fill hole right there. Never mind, right there. It was hiding. Sometimes it's the right angle you gotta dangle. See that? Never mind. That didn't come out right at all. I found it. Alright. Alright, get this wrapped up and go for a test drive. Sorry, my GoPro died and I went on a test drive. So when I go out test drive and do axles, I just go into like a cul-de-sac and I go lock to lock and kind of give it a little bit of brake, a little bit of gas, just to get some pressure on those new joints to make sure that fluid, that grease gets all lubed around there. Oh, that was me setting up the thing. Anyways, thank you all for stopping by. I'm Rob from Kickass, and don't forget to subscribe so you can follow up on the videos. And I drop a video every Saturday at 9 or 8, 9, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 8, yeah, 8 o'clock. Sorry, every Saturday at 8. Don't forget, we're working on some kind of vehicle or something, doing something, maybe in the garden. Usually in the garage. We haven't done a garden tour in a while. We should. And I have a pineapple that's ripe. Looks like 2 more are about to be ripe too. So I could probably pick that one and that one. Yeah, we're gonna wait. Not huge, but man, does it smell good. First pineapple. And obviously we're gonna plant this top part and just keep this cycle going. Cinnamon trees got some new growth. Apple tree's got a new shoot right there. Blueberries are chilling. Fig, some more pineapples. Ow, rock that I just kicked. Son of a biscuit. Bananas are jamming. Ooh, by the way, let's check on the ice cream bananas. We're getting there. Now should we pull one off and see if it's ready to go? I don't feel like it. It should get a little bigger than that. This thing's damn huge. I should see another one popping out of here. I might drop some more food over here. They're eaters. Those banana plants just like to eat. Isn't that right, Rev? That's a good boy. Good old Rev Noodles.